Let's go to the next thing. Endra. Now, the report on the helicopter crash of 6th August. Bye. I sat in front of the television and I kept listening and listening and listening and listening. I was like, are my ears playing a trick on me? And I say, I'm hearing right. Because the more you listen, the more confused you become. Whatever they claim was the report they came to outdoor yesterday before the media, those are things we already knew. Hey, party, this John Mahama government, party, comedy, pow. Serious comedy. Now you come and tell me, say, on 6th of August, no? Now weather no nye. But I know it, I know that. I'm in Ghana, we all saw it. We all knew that the 6th August, the weather wasn't good. So, what are you coming to tell me that one for me to do? To come and tell me that the helicopter did not have advanced terrain awareness systems. He said we know. Now I can go to Google. You go and type the model of the helicopter. And you'll be able to see, say, when John Mahama was buying it in his first tenure, they could have bought better ones, but they decided to go and buy from China. So you could have said that. So we were all interested in what the cockpit voice recording entailed. That is what we were looking for. We wanted to hear the last minutes of the people. What was the conversation going on in the helicopter? That is what will let us know, say, and yeah, maybe a missile as people were trying to claim, and the others. But sorry to say about what they came to expose yesterday. It was a complete waste of time. And I don't know how you feel about it, but I still feel like that crash is unresolved. That's how I feel. I just feel like that what happened yesterday, now an anticlimax. So that is it. That is all. I doubt if the families have gotten closure from what came forward yesterday. I doubt. Or did you get closure? Did any of you listening to me find that supposed report of any importance? I doubt. If you can send your request, let me pick you. Let's have a conversation. Now you see, Asema MP we kaye no, sa FN say, congratulations MP kaye no. Sa Asema o kaye no. What is the difference between that and what Ghana Jollof said when the helicopter crash happened? Ebushanfo Asema Pusiga MP kaye neno. But see, difference ben ne was Asemu and what Ghana Jollof kaye on the 6th of August because of that they went to arrest Fanti Comedy, arrest AY. Interesting times ahead. Very, very interesting times ahead. You can send your request, I'll pick you. I don't intend to keep long here, so you can send your request, I'll pick you. Or that's what you say. Yes, I don't mean who here. Bia boko. Then I go so. Sanete. Ni bema de sa yejumaden. Yo, there for 5 minutes yenkwe.
No, I'm a one.
Oh, that be time be. Oh, WhatsApp now.
They may fraud direct call.
Oh, enemy. Sorry.
Okay.
Enemy from me. Oh. From.
Okay. The voice.
Yo, 5 minutes. Yeah.
Some no doors. But the main fancy as him free a work issue. Yeah, kase nyame pe ena eya ho no. Edu baby a enye nyame pe ba e nipa ye pe. Wuo no nyina nye ni nyina na nyame ehyehyɛ ye. Eni nti a ya even your community kura na ye frɛ wuo bi sɛ atofu because enye nipa ne kra wuo e na odi wuo no but owu like accidental ebi na asi no because untimi nka nkyɛm sɛ adeɛ we ye ne mba kyese a nka ombɛkɔ there will be stampede and people will die. Ɛna yeah who say previously so NPP bar so omaye bi bebree ama ya hu a ye nya casualty biada enti why this and ye we are na ya be hide behind the Bible and Quran na ya kaso oh nyame ono no de ma ono aso na oje but meanwhile na ye feel as a human being say nyame na ode ma ye no san ma ya adwen say saa adwen na ode ama ye mfa ntoto ne ma say be ya incident bi say no ensisi but adwene de ato atwen but ni elsini de ye be attribute to God say oh nyame na ye nyame na ye meanwhile na adwene o de men so ye nyusu on ade ye recruitment what prevented us from doing it in batches na ye can nipa bebrebe wo nyina kogun because when him say nipa bebrebe be we say they will go forward say be they will go first on be anim ama omu ahu on it is nka ye ni batches like 100 kwa think be we are now 200 a day because there's no the number of people on mobile you can see all of them in a day and in, with all these numbers are all recruitment, how would you get the quality ones out of them? You could have even done your shortlisted them and bring them there by when you see na MP mua wakotna parliament now can say nyame pena enya ho yen say nyame pena enya ho but what happened to the shortcoming of we people that let that thing happen because yantima mbo mo ho ban yana yama sa ne manasi because ye bo mo ho ban a nka bibisa enya den ensi by
You
job
see, asema okaye no. Any near Ghana Jollof Kaye about
difference be any
difference woman.
difference be any but Ghana no say omodi kan catch say no me one thing I me notice from NDC side ni say omu hu so omu ye more Ghanaians than any other person and any other citizens or more Ghana because NDC for hu say omu onyansa there's this case my mention wadwin so about CJ na omo vetting no he made a comment and that comment no it disqualifying right there from becoming the CJ from Ghana for Ghana but that's a Ghana for your boy ya adwin fi so I tell you case now kan aye no a based on emotion and all the daily I tell you but not the crime I tell you committee say Utmika just say I gave him 70 years because now me feel say oh man short years he will go back and when he come out he will come after my family. That means you didn't judge the person according to what the person deserves. Mahuza man for bebre can say oh so say the MPP for defend their tie obi and defend their tie or yeah bonny a man come you I tell you even if you deserve 100 years what the man now can say I judge him based on the crimes he committed nka ye be jedi but like to the sense that okay say who protect your family no from say o mekum nti no what jail in 70 years which is wrong and that word that statement now if free na no buy preventing from being the CJ because or you're corrupt he's not fair so you could ask yourself say how many more people na sir or yeah judge or yeah you know what jail you omo duty say o feel say omo babontina they will come after him.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 24.
But when Ghana for woman so na omo yes oh or MPP for defend ye pray but ye say Ghana na yes no.
Okay, that's about Subium.
Me that's me.
Me that's so therefore. Yo, Mama Tina, good evening.
Good evening, the voice.
Gaboko.
Nyanko Pandumo.
Yo, Yanko and Mama Tina, 5 minutes.
Free Owusu Bempaso.
Okay.
Usu bempa nensama oka ye nyina say Mahama ontimi ni president because en nsam eye moja wadi bone bi ama nyankopone buafu no ntimi ni president da. Ye call ya any 5-8 years and I say kra no wasana be dane say Ewurade de ne bone ache no. Enti say Ewurade de Mahama bone ache no a na ensem a no mensem no so a omoka ye say obedi so a nipa niema bebree beba wo Ghana adentim Ewurade amfa nche no na obesi so a brain tehwe accident galanse nkrofo ewu nti adentim ono de onyame amfa nche no na that means say mono masofofo mo koye mo ade bi a nti na mo de Mahama ebesi so okay ye da omo ase maami ya okan eminim say first na say ye fa soldiers na say police ya recruitment na omo ye no a omo kone district by district omo mani pari nyina entwi ma megu akra omo eye say ye beko district we this month ye beko this me na omo aye na because of say NDC for be penipa de omo aye sacrifice nti ye de galanse for aye sacrifice anso omo ye de omo a omo te eduprem nipa 8 aye sacrifice anso omo nipa ewu rough ever Ghana enkura ayi say 11
Kumasi kwan no.
Kumasi kwa hwe accident a ekosi hwe nipa omo wuye hwe enkura nso a innocent children ye de omo koye sacrifice ya empo grandma mpo antimi ankoma omo damrefa adentima maame no wantimi anka say omo adu preti omo toye no omo so eye omo wuo no omo bewu adentima sa ankrofo we nyankopon nin say na ye very da obefre wo mo na awurade amfre omo wo omo kete so na omo kodi lem maame we owo asem a eye se oni nyankopon ebeka ho asem because omo di bone de ehye nyankopon enti senka ne babi anana busuani bi na wasori anopa say ma na tada me kwa free application na me ko ha say kwa say my application ye be fa me na obeti ye se obawu na wa be gina pampan so no wa kan kire nipa say ne nipa wu no say nanka omo bewu
Say minister na wo ho kra mpo a still ombewu
so this woman is
any organization bia any organization
just a Ghana for are we serious at all say obiba what it's never ordinary school na kra no wu school one wu di keteso adrum mra ayese opadwuma freshness be say o kan twa to say who knows say omotoma NDC anaso omanto amon NDC
osaka
so is that they are not Ghanaian people? What is that? Ghana dia na ekoso dia ni NDC for person omodi yeyen okay omomfa omonyina elia sacrifice na obeduru omonso beso maame no me mane da me fa die na onko so na ontono pa na onko na ne so ne mre ebeduru so ye de ne ye sacrifice wi a ya ka se eye ni wuo nyankopon na afre no nyame nhira mo ndase
yeah mommy Andrew report now about a helicopter crash no but your OT
meti ye pa se ye obegina wa oka ye nyina no enti eye se ayi no okasa na o kire se chama be kowu no asense no omoka ye omo ante hwe one de omo ante omo ne ama omo ko no omo ni se mnunkuma si no omo ko ye no omo ni se mnunkuma si na o se ka so obetimi adabo do omo akọ enti tama omo ko no a ya na accident ne ba no ye se ade no timi record bibia na omo beka bia
cockpit voice recorder
you know o timi record ne ma nyina enti ne o record ya ne se ne weda na nye no record we and say yedru baabi no na nka aka be 5 miles na omo akodru na this happen is that all If that are, why do we waste Ghana money to go and look at what happened?
So we call China now. I doubt so. We call China for decoding now. I feel on Baba catches a
Yes.
whether no.
Sasali ati the amount koye den. Asa asem na mo kan nyina no, ye hu se na ebosi, ye hu se ye se na dua bi si wo ko bo duam, ye hu ni nyina. Enti na de mbim. Ghana, just say you be kwani mu ye be bre because of some people self interest no. Nti me da wase.
Yo, made us Yo, Big Joe, Brainway. Good evening.
Evening, sir.
No, Biaboko.
Onyami hadomo boss, you won't kakra.
Yeah, that is what I say. 5 minutes ago.
Well, 5 minutes, meda was na one more was say when you know, so the BBA so say. Yes, Rom say, Obibia or your delegate, Diano. Nyame ya domina, a then do na equally and penny for my own shebbe, my own shenifa. My yena, young Fadron Crow, and Yakuma Crow from Queen. Na nyewaye bi pen ena ye hwɛ sɛ yɛbɛsan so ama no akwanya biom ɛyɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawo. Mewɔ so many reasons a metimi de aka sɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawo ya ɛna ɛyɛ the best person a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔlead the party no to 2028 elections no. Na many reason against whoever that is contesting Dr. Mahmoud Bawo. Nyameka say they are equally gentlemen. They can take charge of the leadership. But for now, no. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is na ofata. A voice.
Yeah.
Only say me were a family. What do you call a family group? WhatsApp group be. Na yempeni ba kode recruitment betuja. Ebra yura brother dem fi post on social media platform and I say the page. Say you no one can 100 page, say you know that one I can verify. So or the buying when I did the calculation based on the write up na actually say afibia no abuy no say obey recruit almost 400 people.
400 pay.
4,000. So 4,000 approximately, so divided by 10 regions, now 400 every region.
16 regions. So.
You see, I even divided by 10. Then meaning it's less than 400 now.
About 300 there
About 300. Then it means any part a kobo or in chinku a work. If all things be equal, Albino will be recruiting more or less than 400 people at the end of the day, that exercise, which is only the greater Accra region. And let's look at this reality and the fact on the ground. And what are those realities and the facts? Whenever a government is to do recruitment like this, the voice near women say, a be to opinion leaders, which are the chiefs, and him from Kasiano. There's a slot that goes to them. Political actors are only company for there's another one that goes to people like the ministry, vice president. They all have a quota that
Big Joe Gina why? Oh. Alright. Banuba KD, Brainway, 5 minutes yanko.
Good evening, the voice.
Evening, Banuba.
Yes.
How is the Upper West?
Yes, everything is fine. Except that,
Okay.
yes, life goes on as we also carry on our daily activities. Yes.
Are you using an earpiece?
Oh, yes, sorry.
Then the person see.